Good morning, YouTube. In Eugene right now, super stoked for today's ride. Plan is to go up to Junction City, then towards Alsea Falls, then cut over to Highway 34, and then take that all the way to the coast towards Waldport, go straight down to Florence, and then right back to Eugene, right here. Let's go. Here in Monroe, just getting some directions towards Alsea Falls. Gotta enter the twisties, baby. Let's go. Alsea Falls, here we go. Bit unexpected. We're gonna have to do this for 2.4 miles. I don't know why Google Maps decided to do that, but just checking to make sure nothing happened to the bike. Looks good. Everything looks good. Sweet. Look at this map. Look at this map right here. That is to enter all this. Look at this. The one upside to having the rainiest spring in Oregon in like 12 years, look at how lush this forest is right now. Like, have you ever seen a more pure shade of green? Have you? Damn. Next stop, probably Waldport or Gas, whichever one comes first. We'll see. Something I never thought I'd say. I'm very thankful that premium is only $5.80 a gallon. Oh, I got it.
Did you get it paid?
Not yet.
I just have to make sure it's paid and then you
Okay.
can hold it on.
Yeah.
Make sure you Huh? You're good.
All right. Thank you. Oh yeah, we're on the coast now. Cape Perpetua. Going down to Florence. About 25 miles. See you there. view. And that concludes the cinematic coast reel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Next stop is going to be Florence for some lunch, and then head back to Eugene.
Don't do good on two wheels. I have a 1985 Honda Elite scooter, the original one. It goes 45. And I still managed to rent. So yeah, everybody's like, you don't need a motorcycle.
Have a good one. that concludes another beautiful trip out to the Oregon coast. Perfect weather, just perfect conditions, no complaints whatsoever, just a perfect motorcycle ride for a day. It's a beautiful evening here in Portland. I'm back up there right now, actually finishing up and putting the final touches on this video that you're currently watching, so that'll be uploaded shortly. Other than that, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below what your favorite motorcycle ride is from your home state or your home country, just wherever you're from. Also follow me on Instagram at Xandrews_, and keep on watching the videos. Support means a lot.